Hello, and welcome to the demo of another visualization which the Qualitics platform offers. And this time we're going to be talking about users impacted. But before we talk about users impacted, it's only fair to again reiterate what the Qualitics platform is capable of. Qualitics platform can connect to any kind of web, mobile, or software application and gather streaming data to provide continuous insights and intelligence to inform you on your customer activity, your product usage, and any kind of issues or incidents that happen in your application, and that too proactively. Let's look at users impacted. Users impacted is yet another visualization which is offered on the Qualitics platform, and it tells us about how many users have been impacted in your application. In this case, as we see within this particular given date range, there are 10 users which have been impacted. And this also shows us a percentage increase of 67%, which means that within this given date range, because of bugs, latency issues, defects, errors, or user friction points, there has been a 67% increase in the number of affected users or impacted users in your app. We can further click on this thumbnail. And once we click on this thumbnail, we get to something which is called a detailed view. This detailed view of users impacted tells us about users impacted and the total number of users for a specific client. In this case, what we are looking at is the users impacted for a client called Diramble. When we move to the total number of users, we find that there were total 13 users, of which 10 were active users and 10 were return users for the client Diramble. And when we look at users impacted for the client Diramble, we find that there were 10 users which were impacted. Now, again, these users were impacted because of exceptions. These exceptions can be in the form of bugs, defects, latency issues, user friction points primarily. If you wish to go into a real advanced view, you can also go on the advanced view through this button. When you click on this button, it will take you to the advanced view. The advanced view actually will enable you to apply additional filters of context, action, actor, and also expand the date range. Now, this was a very brief overview on the users impacted visualization, which is offered by the Qualitics platform. Thank you.